Well, what can I say? It has been a very long week. This is Up in Canada. I'm your host, Dominic Raphael, and this is Changes Are Coming. I think this might be about Unit 12 for that series. Anyways, what we completed this week was the driveway where we leveled over 12 loads of basically ditch soil, which is like clay for some parts. It's hard to manage anyway. It took 22 hours to actually spread it. And then we realigned one of the fences, which was another day's work. It was about 14 poles, but they all needed to be dug down, measured, and then filled back in, and then cleaned up afterwards. We also put in the post holes for the housing for the horses. So that was taken care of. And we also put on 2 new posts for the front of this property. So that was 5 days, and we're looking at almost 30 hours on this machine. Drilling, post holes, leveling, and we also leveled some down near the creek. There we had built up one side that was washed away by this year's spring floods, which was pretty significant, much more than we've had in the past, which was quite surprising as well. The temperature is probably 32 degrees right now. It's just closer to 5 o'clock. It's time to say that's the end of the day. So taking back the equipment and then going to face the cost of this adventure. But you got to say, for one thing, it was a lot of fun. It really is something when you can take the time to learn a new skill. And that's what I've been doing, learning new skills as a equipment operator. I do have a class 1, so, I know about heavy equipment. So, yeah. Anyways, that's Up in Canada. I'm your host, Dominic Raphael. And a lot of these videos are going to be released next week. So stay tuned because there's more to come because the summer isn't over yet. So, for Up in Canada, Dominic Raphael, cheers.